Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up onboarding checklists UI with Monday.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to your workspace where you want to create the onboarding checklist. Click on the plus new board button in the upper left corner. Name your board onboarding checklist. Select the option to create the board from scratch. In the board view, you'll see several columns automatically generated. First, rename the first column to Task. Add another column by clicking on the plus sign next to the last column. Set the new column type to Status. Rename it to Completion Status. Next, add another column by clicking the plus sign again. Choose Text as the column type and rename it to Assigned to. You can also add a date column for deadlines by clicking plus and selecting date. Now, enter your onboarding tasks into the task column. In the Assigned to column, assign each task to appropriate team members. For each task, set the corresponding status in the completion status column. To customize the look of your checklist, click on Board Settings. Choose Customize columns to adjust colors and statuses as needed. If you prefer, add additional columns for notes or resources by following the same process. To create a checklist view, open the Views menu in the upper right corner of the board. Select Add View, then choose Kanban for a visual representation of tasks. You can drag tasks into different categories based on their current status. Share your board with team members by clicking on the Share button. This allows everyone to view and update the onboarding checklist. Finally, monitor the progress regularly to ensure all tasks are completed. Your onboarding checklist is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.